just like that, we're in Manchester now. I already dropped my luggage off at the hotel, so I just gotta wait a couple hours. I'm in the mall now. I just got a coffee. I think we're just gonna walk around and see what there is to do, and then check in as soon as we can, because I want to shower. I want to lay down for a little bit, and then there's a couple food halls near me that I looked up that I found via Reddit, so I'm just gonna use those to get dinner for tonight and maybe get a drink or two. So let's go. Look at this, it's similar to London. Very similar environment. But we're going to the food hall now. I just drank my coffee at like the mall right here. So we're gonna get food, and then my check-in should be in like an hour. So let's go. So here we are, Mackie Mayor. Let's see what it's about. Looks like we got lots of options here. It's like a nice little food court, and I think you can get food and drink, so let's go! I'm gonna head upstairs first, and then I'll let you guys know what we get. Let's go. This one? The light, Felix, yeah. The Felix, yeah. Oh yeah, could I do the 250 please? So we got that wine, the Felix, and it's like lychee flavored peach, and like, I don't know, it's really citrusy, so it's pretty good. And then there's so many places around here that serve like burgers, tacos, fried chicken sandwich, ramen. It's got it all. So we got some food, and this is one of them. It's like the charred corn, and then there's like cheese and like spices and pepper, and I think I put it in there. These are like kind of hard, they're like chips, and then I put it in there and eat them. So let's see what it's like. I got that and 2 tacos. I got the fish taco and barbacoa taco, so let's see what they're up. Let's see what's up. I don't have utensils, so I guess we're gonna have to free fall this. This little scoop. I think the top part's cilantro, so I gotta take that off. But it's really good. It's like salsa, but with corn. It's like salsa with corn. It's actually really good. First time having this ever. I'm a big fan. I thought I'd order like corn on the cob or something like that. I don't even know. But what I got, really good. Here's my 2 tacos. That one's barbacoa, and this one's like fish, I think. So, let's see what's up. You gotta go with the lime first, right? The barbacoa one has like avocado, onion, like peppers and stuff. And there's a lot of barbacoa actually here, and like some sauce on top. Look at that. Legit. Especially with the avocado on top. Oh my god. And the sauce. Let's try this fish. Let's try this fish one. There's like onion, tomato, and then like the little bit of radish and stuff on it. So let's see. Fish, really crispy. All the vegetables make it like sweeter, so it cancels out for the like the sauce they have on top. Oh my god, I'm livid. I'm a king. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna finish this, and then we're gonna try to check in the hotel because it's about time. So let's get at it. Look at this. Inhaled, inhaled. We made it. Hotel, peep. Bed, twin size, little desk action, TV, little bathroom, like everything you need, really. So pretty nice. I'm gonna sit here, watch a movie, and then we gotta get dinner later, so we'll see what we do there. So we're going off to get dinner and maybe a couple drinks. I'm going to some place called Society, which is like similar to the place we went to earlier, where it's like a market full of several places to eat. And then I took the free bus back to the airport, or like the train stop that I took, and now I'm just gonna walk over there. It's like 10 minutes. I kind of messed up, but we'll be there soon. So I'm walking through what's called the gay village. That's actually what it's called. And all the bars here are like LGBTQ and stuff like that. So that's what this area is. That's why you can see like all the flags and like the colors, and there's some drag queens back there. So pretty cool. That's why I really wanted to like walk from the area, because then you get like a really good feel of like what the different types of Manchester are like. And the place that I'm at, where my hotel is, it's mostly like higher end expensive stuff. So I wanted to see the other side. Look what we found, fam. You see that? Wait. Look at this. It's schmoving in here. It's too loud in here, but I got a blueberry almond, like, I don't know. It's like juice though, so pretty good. And 6.5%. 2 grapefruit lychee spritz cocktails was 2 for $13, so I had to do it. We're living life. Y'all want to see dinner? Peep. Oh, baby. Got some sweet and spicy chicken, some dumplings, and rice. Good stuff, huh? There's dinner, baby. Hope you can hear me. Dude, this joint is good. All right, look, it's cold, but we just left Society. I got my food. I'm gonna try to walk down the street over there on this other side, and that's where all like the bars should be. And I might try to go there like tomorrow, but I like to scope it out now just to see like which one's popping, which one looks good music, all that stuff. They probably won't let me in with food, but like if I could walk by, I'd probably just do that. And then for tomorrow, I would know like what's a better play, especially because today is like Thursday. So if it's jumping on Thursday, I can't imagine it on Friday. All right, here's one. I don't know if you see, but there's a line, and then I think it's called Albert's, I think. And then a guy just hopped out of the Uber and was like, oh, it's quiet. I think we're early, but there's a line. So, maybe that's the play tomorrow. We're back. I took an Uber home. I was not about to walk that joint. We got our food. We're about to watch some, it's not loading because the Wi-Fi is bad, but we're about to munch, watch some SpongeBob, and call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.